Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to remove or delete any app on your MacBook completely. So you just need to follow me. So firstly you just need to go to the Finder option over here, and now what you have to do, you just need to click on this application from your left side, and on your right side you will get all your apps over here. So now what you have to do, you just need to right click on that app which you want to uninstall completely. So right click and click on rename. Now you just need to right click once again and click on copy. So simply you just need to copy the application name. Now click on this search on your right side corner, just paste it over here. Just right click and click on paste. After that click on name contents this one, file name. Now what you have to do, you just need to click on this plus button over here showing, and click on this option over here. Now select here system files. Now are included, select here. Now you will get all your files and folders over here. So now you just need to select all the files and folders, application files and folders. So just need to press Command and A together from your keyboard, or else you can just go here and click on this edit button and click on select all. After select all the files and folders, you can drag it up to your trash folder, or else you can just press Command and delete button from your keyboard. And after that you just need to put your password over here and press enter or click on this OK button, and after that you're done. So now if I'll go to the application, so as you can see the app is not showing. So I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any questions or questions, then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.